Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenVPN on VPS for private remote access, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a reliable virtual private server, or VPS, ready for use. Log into your VPS using SSH with a terminal or an SSH client. Make sure your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Next, install OpenVPN by executing the command sudo apt install openvpn. After installation, navigate to the EasyRSA directory by typing make-openvpn. Change directory to the newly created folder with the command cd/openvpn. Now, configure the variables needed for certificate generation by editing the vars file. Open the vars file using a text editor, for example, nanovars. Modify the parameters in the file according to your requirements such as key_country, key_province, key_city, key_. Once your edits are complete, save and exit the editor. To generate the certificate authority, run sourcevars nn/clean all nn/build.ca. Next, create a server certificate and key by executing /build key server. Now it's time to generate the Diffie-Hellman parameters with the command /builddh. You will also need to generate an HMAC signature by running openvpn secret keys/ta.key. Move the generated files to the OpenVPN directory by executing sudo cp keys/cacrt ta.key server.crt. Create a new OpenVPN configuration file by copying the sample server configuration sudo cp/usr/share/doc/openvpn/examples/sample config files/server.confgz/etc/openvpn. Unzip the configuration file with the command sudo gzipd/etc/openvpn/server.confgz. Open the configuration file in a text editor using sudo nano/etc/openvpn/server.conf. Edit the configuration to suit your needs, ensuring to set paths for the keys and certificates. You might also want to adjust the server directive to fit your network settings. Enable IP forwarding by editing the sysctl configuration file with sudo nano/etc/sysctl.conf. Uncomment the line net.ipv4.ip_forward equals 1 to allow traffic forwarding. Apply the changes with the command sudo sysctlp. Next, configure firewall settings to allow OpenVPN traffic by using sudo of allow 1194/udp. Enable UFW if it is not already enabled with the command sudo of enable. Start the OpenVPN service with sudo system till start OpenVPN server. To ensure OpenVPN starts on boot, enable the service using sudo system till enable OpenVPN server. Verify that OpenVPN is running smoothly by checking its status with sudo system till status OpenVPN server. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.